What's up, J-Dubbers? You know what day it is?
It's Cruise Day!
Yeah! Cruise Day Saturday. Cruise Day Saturday. Cruise Day Saturday. Saturday. That's right. We are going on a cruise. Josiah, tell them where we're going.
We're going on the Carnival Jubilee.
We are going on the Carnival Jubilee for a 7-night sailing. We are so excited. Joe, Saya, and I have done this itinerary before, but my husband has not.
When?
You didn't do it? Okay, I lied. I've done this itinerary before. This will be Josiah's first time, but this is our first time on an Excel class ship.
It is.
Carnival's flagship out of Galveston, Texas.
Woo, woo.
So we are here right now in Houston. And yeah, so we woke up early today. We got breakfast.
Flashback.
Heading down to breakfast. Toast, oatmeal, Texas waffle. That's the Gulf. The Gulf, yeah. And now we're dressed in our matching shirts. Yes.
If you don't know, now you know.
So subscribe
Like,
Comment.
and share.
share.
So now it is 10:24. We plan to leave here soon. We're catching the shuttle to the port, but first we have to put the luggage tags on the bags. So we got the luggage tags, so we're about to put these on the bags. Alright guys, so a little update. We just checked in for our shuttle to the port. But they are running behind because apparently something happened with the first bus this morning. So now they're running behind. But they are waiting for the third shuttle to the Jubilee. So we're sitting over here. We're not even near them. It's so packed over there. But we're sitting over here and we're just chilling until they call us. Alright, so we are now in line for our shuttle. And it's a long line. This is the third bus and hopefully we'll get on soon. It'd be really nice if we can make our, our check-in time. I don't want to get there too early though, so that's why I'm not in a rush. I don't want to get there too early because then they're going to make us go in the other line rather than on time. But we'll see.
You have to give the porters permission to take your luggage. So if you want to carry that luggage onto the ship, you have that option. Just let them know. All right. Hopefully everyone is coming back to this airport. William P. Hobby, HOU and travel documents. Yes?
Yes.
All right, we do have 2 airports. Please get on the correct bus on the return. The other airport is 1 hour north of this airport. That's all freeway. That's at least 60 miles an hour. Please, 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 please get on the hobby bus.
Cruise Day, Tuesday, April Fool's Day. Ladies and five.
Alright guys, we are walking up the ramp now. We just went through security and everything. And it's almost that time.
It is.
It's almost that time.
Very exciting. Yeah.
We almost there. The ship. We took a couple of Embarkation Day pictures. Now we're going to do our muster and then head to our room. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now we're seeing it with our own eyes. All right, our room is in Family Harbor. So, ready? Let's go check it out. Evenside. 4434. Yay! It's the way I wanted it to be set up.
Yay.
Look at that.
It's nice. It's a breath of fresh air.
We're here. Welcome aboard Carnival Jubilee. Josiah, Jessica, and William. Are you ready to have a good time? Cause I am.
I know.
Yeah!
I know I am. Are you ready to have a good time, Pops?
Oh, we can see what's happening. Okay. All right, guys. We just set up the room a little bit. Take a look at the door. have decorations on the side. That way we know. Oh, our bags are here. Okay.
Well, if you
We're going to eat, but our bags are here, so we're going to pull those in.
Good afternoon, once again, Carnival Jubilee. It's nearly time to set sail. And once again, we need every guest on board to check in to their buses station before we set sail. Our system is still showing over 100 guests have not yet checked in. And our captain, Captain Andrea Catalani, requested this time all guests who have not yet checked in, please do so now. That way we can make our pre-sale preparations and checks and get this cruise up.
That line is crazy. So we are on deck 17, looking out at the city of Galveston. We are so excited to be here again. Just wanted to show you the view real quick. We were about to go to Guy's, but Guy's line is crazy. We love Guy's Burgers, and I know that's been our ritual, but you know what? Maybe it's time for new things. So let's do something new. Alright guys, so just want to give you a quick little overview of how our day has gone so far. Check-in, once we got to the port, check-in and everything was fairly easy. The lines were long, but they were consistently moving, so we weren't one place for a long time. Everyone was really nice, so that was great. Got on the ship. Embarkation day elevators are always a mess, so that was to be expected. So luckily we came in above our deck, so we just had to walk down. Cool, got in our room, loved it. Mwah. Now we're hungry, right? Looking for food. The lines are either 2 football fields long or there's no food anywhere. Like, I thought the buffet was supposed to be open. The buffet is not open. There's nothing here. All we had was some cheesecake. So I get hangry fairly easy, and I felt that happening. So I ate my cheesecake to help calm me down. But that is just something to consider when coming on one of these XL class ships or a larger ship. They have, everybody wants to eat. Everybody wants to try this new thing. They love Guy's Burgers. Everybody wants to try Shaq's Chicken and all these other things. So the lines are insane. So unless you want to, I like to get on the ship when my room is about to be open. But if you want to really get something to eat, you need to book that 10 o'clock boarding time and then be like one of the first people on the ship. That's my advice when doing a bigger ship. I do feel a little bit better right now. We have some things to take care of at customer service, guest services for our reservation tonight. So hopefully, as long as that goes well in that line, hopefully, I don't know, I'm trying to prepare myself for a long line, but hopefully the line is moving quickly. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go and start getting ready. Well, I am, but I don't know what the guys are gonna do, but yeah. So just want to give you that little update.
It's the Carnival breeze leaving port. Soon we'll be following this.
There we go. All right, guys. So we are headed to dinner. We have a reservation at the Steakhouse. This is my guys' first time doing a steakhouse, so this is gonna be a treat. We're all dressed and look all nice. Here we go. Fahrenheit 555.
Yeah, this is where your dad. It's like a family bed. Well, last time I was saying that right now, I think like
All right, compliments of the chef. We got a little mini burger. You wanna try it? And we got some bread.
I think I figured out
All right, we got our first appetizer. I started eating already. We all got Caesar salads. Yummy.
So this is my starter. This is the stuffed mushrooms with a nice little dipping sauce on the side for me to dip and dabble my mushrooms.
All right, I got the risotto. And Josiah got pork belly.
it looks good.
It does look good. He's never had it. And
It is
he's
like-
trying something new.
This is like the big thing is the little small.
Yeah. All right. So hubby's about to take his first bite.
I don't think I got a lot of sauce. It's more bubbly than anything else, but let's try it. Hot, okay.
Awesome. All right, you ready?
You're not supposed to eat the garnish, right?
No, don't eat the garnish.
Pull it off.
You good? You want to get your knife and cut a small piece? Cut it up or just go for it? All right, go ahead. Just go for it.
Good.
Oh, he likes it.
Tender. Very flavorful. Really good.
Yeah, she better be a food critic.
All right.
All right, I got the
Here is
risotto.
wifey taking her bite of risotto.
It's good. It has a lot of like lime.
A lot of, you said lime?
Lime. Like a big hint of lime. Citrus. It's good though. I love it. No complaints. All right, so it's the first night of the cruise, Embarkation Day. We're at the Steakhouse, so you guys know what that means. Free wine. We got the Chardonnay. So me and hubby are gonna toast. Ting. All right, babe, what you get?
Ribeye, I think.
Ribeye. Ribeye. What you get?
I got the filet mignon.
Filet mignon.
It's the most tender.
I got the New York strip. Yeah, the New York strip. And now we're about to dig in because we're at a steakhouse. You get the steakhouse, you get steak.
Ready?
Yep.
I didn't know what to expect. I thought I was getting a chocolate bar, that was it.
All right, we got cheesecake.
Okay, so we're at the Family Harbor Lounge.
You gotta use. Let me use.
Oh. Nice. We got TVs and PS4 controllers. I guess you can play games over
I'll show
here.
you what game it is. Monster Jam and Lego.
Lego. And then I guess they have like cereal here in the mornings. Yeah. They got a area with the TV, so you can chill, lounge over here, chairs. Got books and games and stuff over here. So you can read a little book while you're on the ship. That's nice. They got like cookies and candy and stuff out. Right now? You got popcorn. They have drinks and machines and stuff. They have chocolate milk. They have celebration milk, beers, drink package, ice cream, condiments. So really, everything we'll really need, like drinks and stuff, wise, is down here.
That was that.
Alright, so I think we're about to go back to the room.
Look at the lounge over there. They're showing in condo. I'm comfortable.
Okay guys, so we're back in the room. We were just at we were watching I think it was the playlist preview where they were singing different songs from the different shows that they're gonna be doing during this week, during the cruise. But it's time, we're gonna close out the vlog now. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and anything and everything that will help to support our channel. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.